Hey guys, welcome. My name is Shay from dreamhomebasedwork.com. I want to welcome everyone into my channel today. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. On this channel, I share a wide variety of work from home jobs as well as ways that you can put an extra few bucks in your pocket each month. So in today's video, I wanted to discuss 5 smartphone apps that will pay you to work out. These apps are completely free to download. I feel like this is a great motivator for those who hate exercising, but I feel like it will motivate you guys. It will help you stay fit, and also you can make money while at it. I think that it is so important, especially when you get older and up in age, to stay fit, exercise. I wish I would have started off, in my early 20s, but now that I'm in my 30s and especially working from home, it is so important that I make sure to get up and do some type of cardio, weight training, just to stay fit and just keep myself in the best health. So if you are a person that already works out, or if you just need a motivator, I think that these 5 fitness apps will be a great way to get on a healthier fitness journey. So let's get started. The first app I would like to share with you guys is GYM-PACT. GYM-PACT helps you commit to exercise, and then you can earn cash incentives while doing it. Now you can get started with GYM-PACT by simply clicking this button right here, and they will give you a little bit of information about their app. They state here that most people commit to going to the gym 3 times per week or work out 3 times per week. How often would you like to go? And so you basically select the number of days that you most likely go to the gym or work out at home. And at this rate, you'll earn, and they'll have an earning amount here every week once you make a pact. A pact is considered a fitness goal on the GYM-PACT platform. So once you select your number of days that you want to work out, just click that next button there. And then it wants you to set your wager. It's very important to remember with this app, if you miss a day at the gym, then you will get charged. Your account will get charged. So you don't want to miss a day. Once you commit to a fitness goal or what they consider a pact, you will want to stick to it. Then you will click that next button. Now you can connect either with your Facebook account, or you can just create an account with your name and email address and password. You can also download the app on your iPhone. When it comes to the amount of money you can earn with this platform, GYM-PACT pays anywhere between 5 cents to 75 cents per workout session. So yeah, this is a really great way to stay committed to your fitness goal. If you are really serious about making money with this app, I highly suggest trying it out. You can go up here and read through some frequently asked questions. You can learn a little bit more about the team. Also, you can follow their Facebook page, Twitter page, and also their blog. And then they have some additional information down here that you can just scroll through to learn a little bit more about their platform. The next platform you can check out is DietBet. DietBet pays you for every workout bet you win. It is very easy for you to get paid to work out. You will place a bet to achieve a workout goal. Now, if you achieve this at the end of the week, the bet is yours. Otherwise, you will have to pay. So it is really important that, whatever fitness goal you set or whatever fitness bet, it is within your means that you are able and you have the ability to do it. You can choose to lose about 10% weight after 6 weeks. For every $30 you bet, you will earn about 2 times or twice your money back. If you win, you will receive your payment here. You can go ahead and get started by selecting that Play Now button. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and sign in. Just to scroll down a little bit, you can learn a little bit more about some of the games and some of the people that were able to win on this app. And how much money they were able to bet and also win. So that is great. You are playing against other people, so you do have the potential to earn a pretty good amount of money here. You can also find their Facebook page link right here, Twitter to learn a little bit more about them, Instagram. This app is available on iOS, Apple devices, as well as Android devices, and it is completely free to download. If you want to go ahead and download their app, you just click one of these tabs here at the bottom. The next platform is Healthywage. Healthywage is also similar to DietBet, where you will place a bet. You will also take on a fitness challenge with other people that are using the platform. This is also another platform where you can earn really big by just sticking to your weight loss goal. So if you are ready to get started, yes, go ahead and, pull up your App Store and search for the term Healthywage to get started. The next platform is Achievement. Achievement is another free fitness app that has paid out over $2 million to their members. With Achievement, you actually get paid to track your fitness steps. This free fitness app is available on the App Store as well as Google Play. So you can either download their apps or you can sign up and create an account right here. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see how you are able to earn points for completing your fitness goals, and those points can convert to cash. And as you can see, you can either redeem those through PayPal or you can donate to a charity if you choose to. This is another great fitness app that not only lets you earn money while achieving your fitness goal, but you can log your meal plans. You can log other information that will help you achieve your desired weight. The last app I want to share with you guys is called StepBet. This is another free fitness app, of course, that allows you to take steps and get paid in return. So all you have to do is just keep moving. This is an app that, if you are at work and you have an active job, or you have a sit-down job and you want to continue to track your steps, just get up and move around a little bit throughout the day, then you can get paid while tracking all of your steps. Now, you can simply enter your phone number right here to get a link sent to your phone. This will allow you to be able to download this free fitness app. You can also download it on the App Store, of course, and also Google Play. You select a game to get your step goals, then bet into the pot to join. Second step, go ahead and start getting your steps in. And then you can win money. You make your goals for the whole game and split the pot. As you scroll down, they share some additional information about this app, and it is great because it does work well with Fitbit, Google Fit, Apple Health, the Apple Watch. So if you have any of those devices, you can use this app along with it, and you can sync it right to those devices. So yeah, definitely go ahead and download any one of these 5 free fitness apps that I shared with you today. I will also leave a link to a related post on my blog that covers all of the free fitness apps that I shared in this video. So you will simply scroll down and you can click on the blue hyperlink to head over to their official website. If you have a friend, family member that enjoys working out, that will really be interested in trying out these free apps, feel free to share this video with them, as well as you can check out other side hustles on my blog that pay you to either take surveys, play games, search the web, read emails, draw greeting cards, test websites, and so much more. So definitely check out. I'll leave all of that information in my description box below, and I'll also leave a pinned comment with all of this information there as well. So I hope that this video was really helpful to you guys. Until next time, take care.